Hey Houston, this one won't last long. Welcome to the Heights in 815 West 26th Street. Let me show you around. We are excited to present this luxurious single-family home built by Hess Homes, featuring 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, plus a 2-car garage with extra parking. As you enter the home, you are welcomed by the hardwood flooring throughout, custom crown molding, and a secondary bedroom with a nearby bath. The open concept dining, kitchen, and living areas are great for entertaining, but the true heart of this home is the chef's kitchen, which features stainless steel appliances, custom cabinets, a wine chiller, and quartz countertops with bar stool seating. The living room features a gas log fireplace, built-ins, and a large sliding glass door that allows plenty of natural light. The second floor features the primary suite with 2 large walk-in closets. The gorgeous primary bathroom includes quartz countertops, dual sinks, an oversized walk-in shower, and a freestanding tub. The second floor also features 2 more secondary bedrooms and a bathroom with a tub and shower. The third floor features a flex room with a half bath and additional storage. The covered patio is the perfect spot to relax or entertain in the beautiful backyard oasis. This space is ideal for creating family memories and perfect for pets. Houston Heights and Shady Acres is the most ideal location with accessibility to major freeways, restaurants, and shopping experiences only minutes away. You'll love it here at 815 West 26th Street as it offers that new home feel with that famous Heights charm. Call us today so we can show you why this is the perfect place for you and your family to call home.